So in this lecture, we'll be looking at text formatting. So text formatting means adding some style, some sort of style, but not color, some sort of style to an HTML content. So there are a lot of text formatting, though also we can do text formatting with CSS. So when you join our CSS class, we'll be looking more on text formatting, styling, colors, and the rest of them. You definitely enjoy it. So the first text formatting we'll be looking at is bold. So the bold tag. So if it's represented as well, just be. So anything you write inside the bold will be boldened. Let's just say I am a bold content. Sorry. You control save, refresh. You can see I am a bold content. Anything you write inside this bold tag will be what? Bold, basically. So bold is a good example of a what? Of a text format. So let's look at the next one. Let's look at let me just go up. Let's look at I. I is for italic. So italic means a little bit slant. I am an italics size content. So that we can identify what are the because B for bold, Y I for italic. So we will know that okay, this content that we have here is what italic size. So let's see, refresh on the browser. Can see I am italicized. I am an italicized content is a little bit slant. But what you notice that they are side by side. So what are we going to do? We need to come down. We need to use a line break here. Sorry. So that's the line break. BR. We've already done line break before, so it should not be much of an issue for us. So you save it, then you come back. You see that this I am italicized will come down. So you can see it comes down. I am an italicized word content slant. So the next thing we have is what? A line break for breaking line. Then the next one we'll be looking at is underline. Underline tag is what? Just you. Just say I am underline content. Control save. Then come to your browser. You refresh. You can see that there's an underline. This I am underline content is being underlined. It's because of the U tag, which stands for underline. So let's look at more. We have a lot of formatting tags in HTML, though we can still change it with CSS. CSS can do a lot of things, can help you bold content, italicize. So you definitely enjoy the CSS class. So the next one we'll be looking at is small. Let's create a line break. Sorry, not capital letter. We're looking at small. Small, the tag for small is small also. So let's just say I am a small content. So you contrast to save, you come to your browser, you refresh. You can see this I am a small content is smaller compared to the rest. This I am bold, I am italicized is small. So that's what the small tag does. So let's quickly look at the rest also. Wait a line break. Let's look at also emphasis. Some browser emphasis just create an emphasis. You just create some emphasis on your content, but some browser italicize emphasis. Let's see what our Chrome browser will do to emphasis. I am emphasized. Sorry, content. Control to save. You see, I said it. Emphasize. So some browser italicize some emphasize what content. So that's just it. So that emphasize is just another form of writing what italics. So create a line break again. Sorry. The next one we'll be looking at is what? Strike through. Strike through. So the strike through creates a line like a line that strikes through a what? A content. So the tag is what? Sorry. A line, let me just say, a line strike through me. Control save. Come here. You refresh. You can see there's a line that strikes through the is line strike to me. So there's a line that strikes to it. So that's so at the next tag we'll be looking at is the break line. Is the next tag we'll be looking at is the quotation quoting a quoting tag. So we just use what? The Q tag. So it quotes any content you write. You put the quotation mark, two inverted commas like this, two, one, two. So it quotes it. So let's just say I am an encoded text. Sorry. So you control save. Sorry. Control save. Let's say the browser renders it. You can see there are two words, quotation words mark inside I am an encoded text. So let's look at the next one. Create a line break. The next one we'll be looking at is the last but not the least that we'll be looking at. There are lots more formatting text. But let's look at some more. Let's look at some more. So let's look at mark. So mark is for highlighting. So anything you write inside the mark tag will be highlighted. I am and I sorry highlighted text. So you control save. You will see that there'll be some highlighting, maybe color blue, green, or yellow, any color. You can see. You can see the color is being highlighted with what? Yellow. So that is what the mark does. The any text you write there, you'll be what? Highlighted. So let's line break. Let's look at one more. Sorry. Which is the what? We'll look at code. Anything you write here will look like a code. I am an encoded text. So you control save. Anything you write here will look like a code. Let's see how the browser renders it. You can see I am an encoded word text. So there are a lot of text formatting that is in HTML, but we can only touch few of them. So what I'm going to do now is to create your own is to format some of HTML content and submit to the submission group. So you can see we talk about bold, italicize, underline, small, emphasize, strike through, quotation, mark, and code. But I want to make a point. So it is better to use. Sorry, I didn't touch one. Sorry, I need to touch one more, which is the strong. Very, very important. BR. Thank God. Strong is written as strong. I am a bold text. Contrast to say. So the strong just like B. So you click on it. You can see it's bold, just like B. So it is better to use strong and emphasis, which is EM. Strong and emphasis above what? B and I. Bold and italicized. So this is more what? This is preferable, and strong and emphasis is more preferable in HTML5 compared to bold and italicized. So what you are going to do is to format some of the text and submit to the submission group. See you in next class. Bye bye.